Hi, superstars. We are a few weeks away from the next biggest sale of the year, which is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a season whereby people express love to their loved ones via gift. So as a business owner, this presents you with an opportunity to make sales, okay, to make money. And even if you're a potential business owner, this also presents you with an opportunity to key in and make quick cash from it. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you business ideas you can do to make money in this next money making season, whether you're a business owner or a potential business owner. By the end of this video, you should be able to come up with fantastic ideas that can make you cash out, and I'll be telling you why and how you can get started so as not to miss it. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first you need to know that whether you're a business owner or not, you can take advantage of this season. You can liaise with business owner and come out with amazing offers that can make you cash out fast. All right, so I'll be telling you some of those business combos you can liaise with other business owners or do it on your own as a business owner and make good money from it. All right, so first on my list is shawarma and parfait combo. Okay, so ladies love parfait and shawarma. Okay, in this season, lots of people are trying to express love to people while being on a budget. So many people do not have that much money to spend expressing love, but they have the desire to express love to their loved ones. So as someone who's going to save the day, you can come up with a combo like shawarma and parfait where people, okay, you can come up with a 10,000 naira package for couples, for people who want to express love to their loved ones, a jumbo size shawarma with a very well packed, okay, packed parfait, all right, and still make good money from it. You can liaise with parfait owners, business owners, and shawarma business owners, and they give you good deals where you can put together and make money from it. Okay, without even producing these things, all you need to is to go pick it up and then wrap it nicely and deliver it. Okay.
Okay, so there are actually people who have money to spoil their loved ones. They call them the odogo, for people who have up to 80 to 100k to splurge on food trays like this. This is a good business idea in a season like this. You can actually liaise with a business owner who does food trays and add your own profits of maybe 10,000 naira to the food tray. So all you need to do is advertise. Go meet vendors and take videos and advertise on your page, and when you have an order, they do the order while you carry out the delivery. Look at this, my superstars. This can wow any lady, any girl in a season of love like this. So this is another fantastic business idea you can do to make money. A food tray well packed. And yes, we have food trays on 150,000 naira, 200,000 naira, depending on how much your customer wants to spoil his or her loved ones. So, my superstars, get started.
The next combo you can do is perfume. Okay, you don't need to be someone who sells perfume to make money. Okay, some time ago some guys got angry. They said they don't want boxers again. Oh. A guy said that enough of boxer gifts during Valentine's Day, that they want more than boxers. Okay, so you can gift your loved one a designer's perfume. All right, so as someone who wants to make money, you can start getting pictures from perfume vendors and advertise it. All right, package it nicely, maybe with a flower or something. Okay, and maybe with a pack of handkerchief and a nice perfume. You know, guys, they love perfume and they also use handkerchief daily as they go out. It's hot. The world is hot. It's hot out there. Okay, so you can do a handkerchief and perfume combo and then make money from it. Okay, like I said, you also have to work within people's budgets. Do not go for something that is too expensive so you can make sales. All right, so the next gift is wrist watches. All right, guys love watches, ladies love watches, and for the ladies, you can pay it with a nice set of earrings and necklace. Okay, we have beautiful necklace and earrings that are affordable. Right, you can pay it with a wristwatch and gift it to a lady in this Valentine season. Well, for the men, you can do a very nice pack of wristwatch. So in this Valentine season, everyone should make money. Okay, my superstars, I'll be coming up with a palm oil combo. If not that palm oil is not yet in season, you would have seen palm oil combo. Yes, it's possible. People need food. So you can express your love to someone by sending someone a jerry can of palm oil. Palm oil is gold right now. Okay, and will be much appreciated. You can also do a food package and gift it to people. You can do a mix of different foods like beans, rice, and tin tomato and all that. To a young lady who's having challenges with this, they would appreciate it right now. Foodstuffs are expensive, okay, and it will be a great gift for anyone. You want to express love to someone, and so even food vendors can make money in this season by coming up with amazing food packages of beans, uncooked beans, rice, Maggi, groundnut oil, well packaged and delivered. Who says you can't use food to express love? If you can't do other gifts, you can also do food packages, and you'll be shocked at the number of people that will purchase this gift to give to their family members. Okay, you can also show love to your family members by gifting them a food basket. All right, so for my food people in food business is another opportunity for you. So think of it, put it together and start showing it to people. Okay, let it be that when you're talking, you say yes. You don't have to show love to just your loved ones. You can also show it to your family and friends by gifting them food packages. All right, my superstars. Okay, so these are affordable gifts and beautiful combos you can do in this season and make money. Like I said, you don't have to be habit to make money. You can come up with this combo and start showing it to your people. If you have plans to make sales in Valentine's season, you have to start putting in the work now. You do not have to wait till the first week of February before you start advertising, before you start making content about it and showing it to people. You know, the thing about showing things to people on the right time, it places it in people's mind so that by the time they actually want to get started to get that gift, they'll remember that, oh, there's this person that has always shown these things, that has always advertised this thing, and you'll be their first stop. You'll be their first choice in checking out those Valentine gifts. Okay, my superstars, so now would be a good time for you to curate your Valentine's offer. Come up with packages and price and start creating content. Show it to your followers, show it to your friends on your WhatsApp, on different platforms you use to advertise. Okay, my superstars, and once you have an offer, okay, once you have sales, you can then send it to that vendor who then delivers the order, or you get it and put it together and make the delivery. All right, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.